So now starting off with the unboxing of the special edition OnePlus 6 Avengers Infinity War phone. That really nicely designed box. First things first, you have the OnePlus 6 itself. Next, in terms of accessories, you have a USB cable, so USB Type A to USB Type C. Then you have the dash charger. It's bulky, it's big, but it's really fast. Dash charger is known for its speed and it does not throttle or heat up your own phone. Then you have this special card from Marvel that has a special message. You can pause if you want to read, but this is something for the Marvel fans. Then you have the SIM ejector tool and this packet that contains the stickers, the quick start guide, and all the manuals and documentations that you might need in a OnePlus phone. Then you have the special edition medallion. In this one, I got the Iron Man medallion, but you have all sorts of characters in this OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition phone. So if you can collect them all and you can join them, you could create something interesting. But yeah, if you're a collector and if you like Marvel, that's something you would like to consider. Next up, you have this Iron Man case that not only adds grip and protection but also class to your phone. If you're a Marvel fan, if you're an Avengers fan, or if you're an Iron Man fan in general, this is a treat for you. You have come into the right place. And put this case on your phone and it gives you immense pleasure if you're a fan of Marvel. And yeah, it's just a really good looking case. It's well designed and it's really high quality. Now coming to the Marvel's Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6 itself, that's a big name, but this phone really looks good. That carbon fiber finish, and it's pretty similar to the mirror black as you have on the top. It gets fingerprints really easily. It's a slippery phone, but again, it's the Avengers Infinity War Special Edition phone, so you really don't care about all that. And inside you have some software tweaks, you have some special edition wallpapers from Avengers and their movies and the characters itself. And it's a really good looking phone. And you have the Avengers logo towards the bottom of the phone. And this is what you've come for. This is why you're paying the extra money. Also talking about the specs, you have the Snapdragon 845, you have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This is the only OnePlus 6 variant that comes with 256GB of storage. Everything else is the same. You have the 3300 mAh battery, you have the 6.28-inch optic AMOLED display with the Full HD Plus resolution, the notch, the cameras remain the same, so 16 plus 20 megapixels f1.7 aperture setup. Basically the phone still remains the normal OnePlus 6, but you have some polishing on top to make it an Avengers Infinity War Special Edition phone. And you're paying 5,000 extra in terms of Indian rupees, and this is only available in India. For all the Indian people who are fans of Avengers and Infinity War and just Marvel in general, this is a phone for you, and I totally recommend you check this out. Anyways guys, this was my quick look at the Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6. If you enjoyed, go ahead and thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.